Most people approach new technology with a mix of intimidation and passive observation, watching tutorials without ever building their own functional systems. This is a fatal flaw in your professional growth. If you want to achieve high income status, you cannot be a spectator of technology. You must be an architect of it. Today, we install the Technical Mastery Protocol to turn your learning process into a high-leverage machine for rapid skill acquisition. The constraint is tutorial hell, the trap where you consume hours of content without building a single tangible asset. To break this, you must implement project-based acquisition. Never learn a new tool or language in isolation. Instead, define an outcome-based project that forces you to use the technology to solve a real-world problem. You don't learn to code. You build a script that automates your data extraction. You don't learn a CRM. You build a client management system that compounds your efficiency. Next, execute the 80-20 technical audit. Most technology is fluff. Identify the 20% of features that produce 80% of the functional output. Master those, document them in your knowledge bank, and ignore the rest until you actually need it. You are not trying to be a pro at the software. You are trying to be a master of the output. Finally, practice recursive teaching. Once you grasp a new technical skill, document the protocol for your own systems. When you can teach the machine how to function, you own the technology. You move from being a user who pays for convenience to an engineer who creates value through technical leverage. Stop being a passive consumer of tools. Start being a master of the systems that generate your wealth. When you dominate the tech, you dominate the market. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.